When Jerry and his wife Cindy returned from a 7-week trip to Arizona for his vision impairment classes, this is not what they expected to see.
When we went to Tucson, all I asked Jay is if he could please put my seat in for me because Jerry couldn't see to put it in. So,
yeah, we expected the seat to be in it.
yeah.
And I don't know why they had to do this other stuff. The seat would have been perfect.
Jerry and Cindy are members of the Rocky Mountain Rebels Car Club in Riverton. When their fellow car club members found out they were leaving, they went to work on their 1965 Plymouth Barracuda.
We've reconditioned the car, body and paint. It was a little rusty, all in primer. They've been trying to build the car for about 3 years now, have not been able to get it done. So we decided as a club while they were gone to surprise them with it.
The couple originally bought the car 32 years ago when Jerry got back from serving in the Army. Years passed and they decided to sell the car, but the Classic made its way back to them.
We pulled it out of a field 3 years ago. And we had started on it, but with my eyesight like it is, just was real difficult to get going with it, and people could see we were struggling.
Every detail of the car was repaired, even the radio.
Jay said the AM/FM radio that was in 1965 actually works, and it's working now. But I don't know if it'll get Wayne and Jerry Dick on the AM dial or not, but we'll try.
All of the parts and labor that went into the car were donated, and that's something the car club president is proud of.
Anytime you can be a president of a car club like this and a community like this that comes together with the donations and things that have happened with this is pretty amazing.
For K2 News in Riverton, I'm Victoria Fregoso.